Ever wished you could earn money just by trying out cool new tech? Well, guess what? You absolutely can, and with AI, it's easier than ever. No experience needed, just your honest feedback. Imagine making up to $15 an hour simply by testing AI tools.
So guys, on this channel we share a whole lot of opportunities to earn money from online, okay? We share opportunities that could earn you as much as 158 to over 500 USDT from online as a side hustle, right? We equally share first-hand information on what is happening on the crypto industry, okay? Now, just in case you want to earn money from side hustle, kindly hover over our channel and watch our videos, all right? These videos are going to earn you some good amount of money from online, okay? And just in case you find any of our content helpful, kindly like and then also drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe so that whenever we share updates like these, they're gonna come right on your inbox, okay?
Platforms like JumpTask offer microtasks, while user testing and userlytics pay you to share your thoughts on websites and apps, many of which now feature AI. You can also check out Try My UI and Testing Time for similar opportunities. These sites are actively looking for everyday users like you to help refine their AI-powered products. Each of the mentioned websites is simple and easy to use. All you need to do is dedicate a few minutes of your free time, complete any or all of these AI website tests, and provide your feedback in a form. You then accumulate money for each website review. The cash-out process is also simple. You can receive payments through bank transfer, PayPal, or even cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. It's a fantastic way for students, job seekers, or anyone to earn extra cash remotely. Dive in, explore these sites, and start turning your opinions into income today. Your feedback is valuable, and now it's profitable.